To create a report using the Issuetrak report writer, you need to have first created a query. To take that query and create a report, navigate to Reports, Report Writer, Reports, and click New. Select from one of your existing queries. All the fields from the query will populate automatically into the Selected Fields column. Any field you want to remove from the report, you can just drag to the Available Fields column. You can also change the order of any fields. Then click Next. Step 2 allows you to create groupings for your data. This will create sections in your report. Once you've selected what value to group by, click Next. If you've selected any groupings, Step 3 allows you to sort them in either ascending or descending order, and then opt whether to include header and footer rows. While headers are optional, footers are required if you want to do any calculations on your data. Clicking Next takes you to Step 4, where you can select any remaining columns to sort in ascending or descending order. Then click Save Sort Expression to lock in your sort. If you sort more than one column, you can use the up and down arrows to determine what sorts first. When ready, click Next. Step 5 gives you a list of all the fields in your report. It allows you to change formats if you have number or date fields, and then has a column for subtotaling. Depending on your field, you may get an option to count values, or for time-based fields, you can take the sum or average. This step also allows you to suppress the individual lines of data if you only want to make summary reports. Click Next to the final step where you can give your report a name and title. You can also opt to share your report and include a description. The first time through, click Save and Run to see your report results. If you're editing an existing report, click Finish. That's creating reports in Issuetrak.